In this lecture, we are going to look at AI literacy. Very broadly, the EU AI Act does have an AI literacy requirement for providers and deployers. So we will define what that requirement is, we will define what AI literacy is, and then we will look at some potential topics that might be included in an AI literacy curriculum. So the AI literacy requirement is found in Article 4 of the EU AI Act. And Article 4 says that a sufficient level of AI literacy of their staff and other persons dealing with the operation and use of AI systems on their behalf. So that's the requirement as stated in Article 4. And again, it applies to providers and deployers of AI systems regardless of risk level. So this is why this is not included in our high-risk system requirements that we looked at in the previous lecture and that we're going to look at for the next several lectures. What is AI literacy? Broadly, we can understand this as the skills, knowledge, and understanding that allow providers and deployers to make informed deployment decisions. That includes the ability to interpret outputs, the awareness about opportunities and risks of AI and its possible harms. And in the EU AI Act, it is stated that the EU AI Board will support the European Commission, for example, through promoting AI literacy tools and public awareness. There are 5 broad topics for AI literacy. We have 2 on this slide, 2 on the following slide, and 1 on the third. The first broad topic includes understanding AI. This would involve basic concepts of AI, such as definitions like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, etc., AI's historical development, and applications in everyday life and industry. The second topic is technical foundations, which would include algorithms, data, and training. Topic 3, practical skills. This includes using AI for problem-solving research and creative tasks, prompt engineering, and evaluating outputs. Topic 4 is critical evaluation. This is identifying the presence of AI in different technologies, understanding reliability and biases, as well as being able to identify risks and benefits. And finally are ethical considerations. This includes biases, fairness, privacy concerns, transparency and explainability issues, as well as societal impacts. In this lecture, we have gone over the AI literacy requirement as stated in Article 4 of the EU AI Act. The Act requires a sufficient level of AI literacy of their staff, that is of deployers and providers, and other persons dealing with the operation and use of AI systems on their behalf. AI literacy includes the skills, knowledge, and understanding that allow providers and deployers to make informed deployment decisions, the ability to interpret outputs, as well as awareness about the opportunities and risks of AI and its possible harms. And the 5 broad topics you might find in an AI literacy curriculum include understanding AI, technical foundations, practical skills, critical evaluation, and ethical considerations.